will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Gardenscapes app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings here, so then it's going to show for your list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. So then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Gardens app or Gardens app space app, or just click on search here. So then here add Gardens space app, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.